Hey, how are you guys? This is part 3 of my thrift store haul. I know it's like seems never ending, but I spent around $220 total. It's about $500 worth of thrift store prices, but the value of the clothes is probably what I will make is about 2,000 or so, plus or minus, we'll see. Anyway, so here we go again. Next item we have is this Bailey 44, which I didn't know this brand before, but when I looked on threadup, I was buying some stuff for myself and I saw this brand and they had it listed like the original price super high. So I thought when I saw it in thrift store, first of all, it's made in USA and the fabric is ridiculously soft. I have to try it myself because I'm gonna keep it. It's like a little top. It has this little lace overlay, but the lace feels, it's made to feel like leather. So it's pretty cool. It's super soft. It's probably rayon or something. Let me see. I have to try this one. Made in USA. Yeah, it's viscose, rayon, spandex. Very cool. And what is the size? Do I have the size? No size. I'm guessing it's medium. Looks like medium, and it had that tag of those more expensive brands, so I know it's something, but I haven't really looked it up so much. So this was cute top, so soft, and I got it for $2.99, so that was pretty good. I might keep it. So next up, I forgot I got that mystery Donna Karan, New York, which if it's the classic collection I get sometimes. And this is also wool blend, 65% wool, 35 rayon. And this is this coat, like a pea coat. Very nice, good even for spring. It's not too thick. I have to clean it and stuff, but it looks really good. It doesn't look worn. It just lint on it. So I got it, and Donna Karan is kind of hit and miss, but this is size large and wool, and Donna Karan can do pretty good, especially if you send it to threadup. That's pretty well there, and for this season too. I sold some cardigans from Donna Karan for like $50 recently. So it kind of depends. It also depends on their tag, because Donna Karan has many different labels, just like other brands, So some you can make very good money, and some are just like more. Alright, sorry for yet another fire truck or ambulance, and now my dog barking. I don't know, this is crazy day. Sky, please, no. So here I go. I'll show you the next item. Madison Marcus. It has the tag, but I thought it looked pretty like high-endish. Anyway, I got this because for one, it has 100% silk. It has that little mark like Kate Spade, so I don't know why at all. Anyway, I thought about myself, but we'll see. That is pretty cute. Little silk top. It's very hot where I live, so I need silk in my life, but it's a little bit dirty, so I'll have to clean it. Otherwise it looks not really worn. It's just thrift store. So it's $3.99. I got it, and we'll try. This one Townsend. I looked it up and it was pretty good. The comps were pretty good. It has this leather cutout V-neck, and this is a knit top. Very soft, very like well made and it's lined, and it's 100% modal and a lamb leather. So that tells me this is probably very expensive, since the fabric is so expensive and lamb leather. I actually got it for thinking of myself because I like this kind of stuff. But then when I looked up that this is something, I don't know. I might just sell it. We'll try. We'll see how much. Anyway, it was $3.99. It was half off, so $2. But isn't it cute? It says extra small, but I can definitely fit in it, and I'm like medium. And next one, it's yet another Eileen Fisher, but I thought this was so cute. Look at this. So trendy, you know. You can just pop it over a long sleeve light top or even turtleneck now, and later, you know, with just little tank or even over a bikini on vacation. It's like a loose fit. It's extra small, but looks like large. So it's like oversized crochet top. I thought it was cool. And it's linen, so good. I thought it was pretty good. Eileen Fisher. And I got it for, it was $2.99 and half off. $1.50. I was happy that they didn't know what they were doing with Eileen Fisher. So next up is this Brooks Brothers. It's little knit top, and it has very cute button back. I thought it was cool, like a reversed top, and I think it had no tag, you know, or it has tag, sorry, it has size medium 100% wool, Brooks Brothers, but it has no tag here on the neckline, but it has Brooks Brothers buttons and, like I said, the side tag. Sorry guys, it was yet another fire truck. I don't know what happens, big accident or fire, whatever, but they're driving me crazy. Anyway, the Brooks Brothers was $2.99 and it was half off, so $1.50 and additional 20% off at the end. All right, next one. Let's get cracking here. It's Citizen of Humanity jeans, and they're pretty cool. They're Rick-Rack, number 108, low waist, boot cut, stretch. I love when they tell you what they are. Size 28, which is good stats, and which is good size, and they were only $2.99. So I got them. They have like distressed look on the back pockets and a little bit over here, and they're a little stretchy, so I got them. I like that. Actually, this store doesn't mark up jeans, which is amazing. And this was my, actually, let me see. What is this? Oh, it's a turtleneck from Eileen Fisher, made of Italian yarn, size small. This is amazing. This is so soft. This is some good wool. It's wool, definitely. Let me see. Merino wool, 100%. And this turtleneck looks brand new. It has like that heathered look. It has charcoal color and nice, like, you know, sleeves that are like not really thick finish. Very good for layering. And this I got for $5. But merino wool sells pretty good. Eileen Fisher is pretty good, so I gave it a try. This one was brand new to me, but I looked it up and there were some sold for like $30-40, so I gave it a try. I knew it was wool, and it was made in Italy. It's Zanella. Well, I'm giving it a try, so I don't know how good it will be, but it looked brand new. Little sleeveless turtleneck, and it is made with 30% cashmere and 70% extra fine merino unshrinkable wool. So I thought I will give it a try. You know, cashmere and merino wool feels good, especially now. So next one, it has actually funny, it has real tag. It's new with tags. Nanette Lepore top, or actually it's like a blazer, size 12, which is good size. New with tag is good, and it's like black with like white contrast. I think it could be the blazer or top, and it is what, viscose cotton blend, kind of looks like tweed, and it's brand new, so I gave it a try. It was $10, but it was half off and then 20% off. So next one, I got leather jacket, and I know normally we don't really get this style, but this style is actually back. This it's a leather jacket, like a blazer, 90s style. So I thought it was pretty cool. It has a little slit in the back, and of course they're cutting grass right now. Like, this is not my day. And it has thick pockets, super soft leather. Ooh, and the inside feels like silk. I don't know what it is. Marcari, New York. Yeah, it is 100% leather. So I thought of sending this to threadup. I paid $10, but it should do pretty good. Leather jackets I usually sell for around 100. Next thing, I got something. I don't really get sport clothes, which I know it's a mistake, but every time I get it, it sits forever. I don't know. Maybe the people that follow me are not looking for this stuff. But this, I thought it was pretty cool. It's like a Nike top, and it has a bunch of those like mesh parts in the back and sides, underarms, so you don't sweat. So I thought it was pretty cool. And it has this yellow tint too. I don't really know what it means. I have to look it up. And it is size medium, dry fit. I got it for $3.99, so I thought I would try. A lot of the Nike there is marked up, so, but I'm gonna give it this one a try. It has like gold logo, so $3.99, not bad. Next one is this little cashmere sweater from Garnet Hill, which was also, I was unfamiliar with this brand, but I got cardigan recently, and it sold pretty good for like $30 or $40. So I've noticed that this brand sells pretty good, and this is 100% cashmere, or no, not 100, 87% cashmere, and has spandex and a little bit nylon. So 87 cashmere, which is actually better because it doesn't peel as much, and it's black and looks really good. So I gave it a try, and I think it will sell good because this brand I know, and I got it for $2. So next we have, it's a set, Ralph Lauren 2-piece set. I thought it was pretty cool for especially right now. It's this like jacket top, extra large, and they're sweatpants or like casual pants to match. So I thought that was pretty cool. Sets usually do pretty good, and I only paid $5.99 for this set, so I thought it was definitely worth giving it a try. And then the last item I got that day Which was funny, I was already like leaving and I just touched something and I was like, what is that? And it was my last find of the day. And it was this Free People older tag, but it's size large, which is pretty hard to find. And it's like crochet top, like a halter tie. I thought it was so cool. I mean, maybe not now, but in the summer. And it's so like with the little detail, like so 90s. So I thought it would be pretty good. And they usually mark up anything for people, but this one was for $2. So I got it. We'll give it a try. Now I have to clean it all up, list it, take pictures, and we'll be ready to go. And this is it for my super long thrift haul. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you like my channel and subscribe, hit the notification bell, and please share, because I am, like I said, new here. I've been everywhere else, but I was a little bit shy, you know, talking to myself. I mean, to you guys, but you know, the camera. So I hope you enjoy those videos. If you do, please share and help me get found by people that want to learn about some other brands. And I think I have some tips and tricks videos coming that I don't think everybody knows, that have been helping me having daily sales on Poshmark and other platforms. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss it. All right, thank you so much for watching. Bye.